GAF Enhanced Warranties are some of the strongest warranties available in the roofing industry. The GAF Silver Pledge Limited Warranty is one of them. You're eligible to purchase a Silver Pledge warranty when you install GAF shingles and at least 4 qualifying GAF accessory products with a GAF Certified Plus or Master Elite contractor. This warranty includes tear-off in addition to installation labor costs and replacement GAF products necessary to repair your roof due to manufacturing defects. The Silver Pledge also includes a 50-year 100% coverage period for single-family detached residences with architectural or designer shingles installed. What sets it apart from the System Plus warranty is that the Silver Pledge warranty also includes disposal costs and 10 years of workmanship coverage, which applies to mistakes made during installation. Here's another bonus. All GAF enhanced warranties are eligible for a one-time transfer to the next homeowner for free, adding even more value to your home. Still have questions? Don't hesitate to discuss GAF enhanced warranty options with your contractor.